If you're just starting to invest, you've probably heard about two popular options, the Roth IRA and the brokerage account. But what's the difference? And more importantly, where should you invest first? In this video, I'll break it all down in simple terms. We'll cover what each account is, how they work, who they're for, and how to make the smartest choice with your first $100, $500, or $1,000. Let's get started. What is a Roth IRA? A Roth IRA is a retirement account with a very special benefit. You invest your after-tax money and then it grows tax-free forever. Yes, you heard that right. You pay taxes now and then you never pay taxes again on your gains, not even when you withdraw the money in retirement. Imagine investing for 30 years, turning $50,000 into $500,000, and then withdrawing all of it tax-free. That's the power of the Roth IRA. But there are a few rules. You can only contribute up to $6,500 per year if you're under 50. You can only take out gains after age 59.5, unless you want to pay penalties. And your income must be below certain limits to qualify fully. So the Roth IRA is powerful, but it's long-term money. You're locking it in for your future. What is a brokerage account? A regular brokerage account is much more flexible. You can invest any amount, buy and sell any time. Withdraw whenever you want. Use the money for anything, a house, a car, or just cash flow. There are no age restrictions, no income limits, no penalties for taking money out. But there's one catch. You'll pay taxes on your profits when you sell your investments. And if you receive dividends, those are usually taxed too. So with a brokerage account, you get freedom now, but you sacrifice some tax advantages. So which one should you choose first? Here's the honest answer. It depends on your goals. If your main priority is to build wealth for retirement, and you're okay not touching the money for decades, then the Roth IRA is the best first step. But if your goals are more flexible, like saving for a home, early retirement, or just building passive income sooner, then the brokerage account might be a better fit. Let's go deeper. Why choose a Roth IRA first? Reason 1, tax-free growth. This is huge. If you invest $6,500 a year for 30 years and it grows at 8%, you'll have over $800,000 completely tax-free. That could save you tens of thousands in taxes compared to a brokerage account. Reason 2, you can withdraw contributions anytime. Here's something most people don't know. You can take out the money you contributed to your Roth at any time, for any reason, without taxes or penalties. Or only the gains are locked until age 59.5. That makes the Roth IRA more flexible than people think. Reason 3, it forces you to invest for the long term. Because the rules discourage early withdrawals, you're less likely to spend your investments on impulse. Why choose a brokerage account first? Reason 1, total flexibility, no age limits, no income limits, no rules. You can invest for early retirement, a house, your kids, whatever you want. Reason 2, access to your money at any time. If you suddenly need $1,000, you can sell some investments and withdraw it. No penalties. Reason 3, unlimited contributions. With a Roth IRA, you're limited to $6,500 per year. With a brokerage account, there's no cap. You can invest $20K, $50K, whatever you want. Reason 4, easier for dividend income. If you want to live off dividends before age 59, a brokerage account is more practical. You can receive payouts from SCHD, VYM, or other ETFs and use the money right away. The best strategy? Use both. In this order. Here's what I recommend if you're just starting out. Step 1. Open a Roth IRA and invest up to the annual limit, even if it takes you all year. Step 2. Once you hit the limit, open or continue investing in your brokerage account. This way, you get the best of both worlds. Tax-free retirement money. Flexible wealth you can access before retirement. If you can only choose one to start, and retirement is your priority, go with the Roth IRA. If you need more flexibility or want access to your money sooner, start with the brokerage. What to invest in? For both accounts. Here's the good news. The investments themselves can be the same in both accounts. You can buy VOO, S&P 500 ETF, SCHD, Dividend ETF, VT, Total World Market ETF. So the real difference isn't the investment, it's the type of account holding it. Think of it like this. The Roth IRA and the brokerage account are buckets. What you put inside the bucket, that's up to you. But the bucket determines how your gains are taxed and when you can access them. Final thoughts. The biggest mistake people make is overthinking and doing nothing. The second biggest mistake? Putting all their money in the wrong bucket and regretting it later. So start with what matches your goals. Want long-term tax-free growth? Roth IRA. Want flexibility, freedom, and early access? Brokerage account. And if you can, use both, because the combination gives you power now and later. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear and honest investing content every week. Leave a comment below. What account did you start with? This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.